Transportation infrastructure including a bridge, tunnels, highways, roads, airports, highways, trains, waterways, and as well as road is the one of the most important determinants that can be used to determine the process of productivity and also economic growth. Not only that, but also permitted communication, training activity, and development. Transportation infrastructure is the one of the special things in playing a role in the dynamic network that connect the city as well as the connecting people movement in line with economic, social, and environmental growth as well as sustainable of urbanization. Transport infrastructure factors are likely to be requisite for economic development, while the support of infrastructure and transportation network is an engine in promoting economic growth. Therefore, the efficiency and high-quality value installed in transport infrastructure are very instrumental in helping the effectiveness of economic growth. The concept of mobility and even sustainability has become a very important thing for a part of the policy as well as the internal transport strategy. This is because social interaction are highly dependent on the movement of people, a good overall, and the mind needs of mankind. A strong relationship is a both between sustainable transportation and economic growth, namely for sustainability in transport infrastructure.
The quality of transport infrastructure is a key determinant performance in the transport sector and development of transport infrastructure which support economic growth in Malaysia. So there are many benefits of transport infrastructure onto the economic growth. Firstly, it is very important for the economy as it allowed goods and services to be transported very quickly and at a lower cost. As a result, it lowers the price for consumers and increase the level of productivity for the firm and also increase the buying power. Next, the improvement in the transport infrastructure have been able to reduce the delivery time to the transport good. So the firm are able to receive their raw material at the right time without having delay their production process and deliver their finished good to the supplier without having to make their customers to wait. Hence, reduction in the delivery implies lower labor cost and more efficient use delivery vehicle, which result in a reduction of firm's expenses. Next is transport infrastructure development has creating many job opportunity to the society.
Focus on the impact of effectiveness of transport infrastructure on economic growth, which has a wider or broader economic impacts. Introduction of a local transport investment is influential in changing the effective density of employment and jobs that are accessible to the local economy. This will have a further impact on productivity and efficiency, which is agglomeration externalities, competition effects, output effects of imperfect computation, and labor market effects. Transportation infrastructure is able to access to a broader market base where economic of scale in production, distribution, and consumption can be improved.
Hello, my name is Kanigeswari Ramachandran. My metric number is 271465. Today I will explain about the challenges faced by transport infrastructure on economic growth. The first challenges is traffic congestion and parking difficulties. This is because of supply of infrastructure has not keep up with the growth of mobility. The second one is difficulties for pedestrian. This is because of intense traffic where the mobility of pedestrian and vehicles are impaired. The third one is because of environmental impact and energy consumption. This is because of pollution such as noise generated by circulation and vesicles. Besides that, it also depends on petroleum. The last one is land consumption. This is because of significant territorial imprint. Between 30 to 60% of metropolitan area may be devoted to transportation. That's all from our group. Thank you.